Hello students, in our last lecture we have completed question number 7, right? I have given you some homework, but so I think that you have solved it. Now come to the question number 8, right? I'm going to solve here question number 8. Come to the question number 8. What is question number 8? The bit see in your book at page number 16. Question number 8 is of exercise 2.1, right? Question number 8 is the length and breadth of a rectangle are 4:4:1/5. Here length is equal to 4:1/5 and breadth of rectangle is equal to 3:2/5. 3:2/3 3:2/3 in meter. This is also in meter, this is also in meter, right? Now we have to find the area of rectangle. We have to find the area of rectangle, right? So let us convert it first in fraction form. 4 5s are 20 plus 1, 21/5 meter. Now breadth is equal to 3 3s are 9 or 2, 11. 9 plus 2 is equal to 11/3, right? So let us assume this is the area, this is our rectangle, and this is its length and breadth, right? What is the length here? 12/5 meter, and breadth is equal to 11/3 meter. This is our rectangle ABCD. Let us give it name ABCD, right? So what is the formula of area of rectangle? Area of rectangle is equal to length into breadth. That is the formula of area of rectangle. So let us put the value of length. Our length here is equal to, length here is 21/5 into breadth is 11/3. Now 3 1s are 3 and 3 7s are 21. So 5 1s are 5 and 7 into 11. 7 11s are 11 7s are 77, right? So if you divide this, 5 1s are 5 and 5 1s are 5, 2 remaining. 5 5s are 25, right? 2 remaining means 71. 5 5s are 25, 2 will remaining here, right? 2 will remaining. So we can write it like this: 15:2/5. Or you cannot understand this, then you can solve it like this: 77 divided by 5. 5 1s are 5, 2 remaining. 7 2 5s are 25. Then this is here 2 will remain, right? So 15 will come here, and this 2 will come here, this 5 will come here, like this. We have solved this type question or in our previous exercise, right? So I think that you know that how to solve this, how to write a mixed fraction, a fraction into mixed fraction, right? So this is our answer here. This is the area of rectangle. You have to write meter as well here, right? Now come to the question number 9, that is Sapna traveled 48 kilometers to see her parents. Sapna travels 48 kilometers to see her parents. She travels the first 18 kilometers by car and remaining distance by train. Find the fraction of the journey Sapna traveled by car. So how much distance she traveled by car. We have to find it in the fraction. So fraction of journey Sapna travel by car is, we can write here, fraction of fraction of the journey Sapna traveled by car is equal to distance traveled by car upon total distance, is equal to distance traveled by car upon total distance. Right? So here distance traveled by car is 18, right? Distance traveled by the car is 18 kilometer, and the total distance is Sapna traveled 48 kilometers. Means total distance is 48 kilometer, right? So we can cut it by 6. 6 3 is 18 and 6 is 48. Nah, 6 8 is 48. Right? So it will come. It is our distance traveled by the Sapna. The fraction of distance traveled by Sapna by car is 3/8 kilometer. Right? Kilometer. You have to write unit as well. 3/8. 3/8 friction Sapna travel by car. So this is your answer here. Now come to the next question, number 10. Leave this question. We are not solving this question right now. So leave this question. Now come to the question number 11. Question number 10 नहीं करना है. ठीक. Come to the question number 11. Rohit takes 3/4 hours to clean a hotel room. If he work non-stop for 6 hours, how many hotel rooms will he be able to clean? Means we have to find, if Rohit work non-stop for 6 hours, then how many rooms will he be able to clean? So in solution of this question, in 3/4 hour, Rohit cleans. In 3/4 hour, Rohit cleans how much? One room, right? So in 6 hours, Rohit will clean 6 into 1 upon 3/4. 6 upon 1 into 3/4, right? This types of question it will come in our next exercise 2.2, but I am solving it right here. How to solve this type of question, let us see. 6 upon, this will come like this, 6 upon 1 into 4 upon 3. It will reciprocal of denominator. Numerator is as well. Here will remaining 1, and reciprocal of denominator 4 upon 3, right? If we have to write it in the form of multiplication, so we have to reciprocal this denominator. It will come in our next exercise. Just understand here how to solve it. 3 1 3, 3 2 6. So it will come 8 room. 8 room Rohit will clean in 6 hours. So you can write here Rohit 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 is Rohit will be able to Rohit will be able to clean 8 rooms in 6 hours. In 6 hours, like this. That is your answer. Now come to the next question, question number 12. Sunita walks 1/2 kilometer each day. Ramesh walks 1/3 kilometer each day. How many more kilometers will Sunita walk than Ramesh in 18 days? Right? So Sunita walk in one day. How many kilometers? Sunita walks in one day is equal to 1/2 kilometer. 1/2 kilometer. And in 18 days, in 18 days, she walks 1/2 into 18. 1/2 into 18. So it will come 2 ones are 2, 2 nines are 18. 2 nines are 18. So it will come 9 kilometer in 18 days. She walks 18 kilometer in 9 kilometer in 18 days. Now come to the Ramesh. Ramesh walks in one day, that is 1/3 kilometer. Now in 18 days he walks, in 18 days में रमेश कितना वॉक करेगा? In 18 days रमेश will walk 1/3 into 18. So 3 ones are 3, 3 6 are 18. So it will come 6 kilometer, right? So Ramesh will walk 6 kilometer in 18 days. Now how many more kilometers will Sunita walk? So Sunita walks, we can write here simply Sunita walks how many? When we subtract this value minus this value, then more kilometer will come. 9 minus 6 will be equal to 3 kilometer, right? So you can write here Sunita walks 3 kilometer more than Ramesh in 18 days. Three kilometer more than Sunita walks 3 kilometer more than Ramesh in 18 days. That is your answer, right? Now come to the exercise 2.2. This is your exercise 2.1 is finished. Come to the exercise 2.2. First question of 2.2 exercises, question number first is divide the following using diagram. So we will not use here diagram, we will simple divide it. How to divide this types of friction, right? We will not use here diagram. So first question is here, A is 3 divided by 1/3, right? So when we divide whole number by fraction. You can write here, when we divide whole number whole number by fraction number, then how we can divide it? It will equal to, when we divide whole number by fraction, it will equal to whole number into we can take it in multiplication, whole number into reciprocal of fraction, whole number into reciprocal of fraction, So now see here how we can solve this question. This is our whole number and this is our fraction number. So whole number into reciprocal of fraction number, you can write it as a formula. So 3, if I apply this formula, then 3 into reciprocal of fraction, reciprocal of this, it will come 3. Reciprocal of this is 3, right? 1 upon 3. What is the reciprocal of 1 upon 3? 3. What is the reciprocal of 3? There is nothing in one denominator, so it will become 1 upon 3, right? If I ask you what is the reciprocal of 2 by 3, 5 by 2, what is the reciprocal of 5 by 2? Then it will become 2 by 5, right? This is the reciprocal of this. So here reciprocal of this is 3 upon 1. So we do not need to write here 1 in denominator. 3 into 3 will be equal to 9. 3 3 is a 9. Now come to the question number B. B is here 3 divided by 1 upon 4. So whole number into reciprocal of fraction number, 3 into reciprocal of this number, 4 upon 1. So we do not need to write here 4, and 3 4s are 12 is our answer. Like this way. Question number C, 2 divided by 1 upon 3. So 2 into reciprocal of 1 by 3 is 3, and 2 3s are 6. That is our answer. Now this is the whole number into fractional number. Whole number divided by fractional number. If fractional number divided by whole number, then how we can divide it? Let us see. Like this. Question number 2. A. 2 upon 11 divided by 3. So here this is the fraction number. We are dividing it by whole number. So by fraction number, I am writing here in the short form. Fraction number divided by whole number. Fraction number is divided by whole number. Then how we can divide it? Fraction number divided by whole number. So fraction number is as it is. Fraction number will be as it is. Fraction number will be as it is. And multiply. When we multiply, we can write it in multiplication by reciprocal of whole number. Right? Reciprocal of whole number. So see here, 2 by 11 is as it is, into, there is nothing in 3, in denominator of 3, so we can write here 1. We can write here 1 into reciprocal of whole number. What is reciprocal of 1 by 3? 3 upon 1 is equal to 1 upon 3. Now let us solve it. It will come 2 1s are 2 and 11 3s are 33. That is our answer. Now come to the question number B. Question number B, that is 18 divided by 3 upon 4. So here 18 will remain as it is. No, this is not this type, fractional number divided by whole number. This is the whole number divided by fractional number, right? Whole number is divided by fractional number. Previous question number 1 types question, right? So we have to write here, multiply this and reciprocal of this, 4 upon 3. 3 ones are 3, 3 6 are 18. So it will come 6 4s are 24. That is your answer, right? Here if I took question number F, question number F, that is 3:4 upon 5 divided by 2:3 upon 8, right? So here 5 3s are 15, 15 plus 4 is equal to 19 upon 5, 19 upon 5 divided by 8 2s are 16 plus 3, 19 upon 8, right? So here both are in the fraction form. So one number, let one number will remain same, 19 upon 5, let remain it as the same, right? And here we are applying multiplication, so we have to reciprocal this number, we have to reciprocal of this number, second numbers. So it will become 8 upon 19. Whenever we remove divide and we apply multiplication, so we have to do reciprocal of the second number, right? Remember these things, don't remember this all, right? Don't remember this all, just remember this, that whenever we remove divide sign and we applied multiplication sign instead of divide sign, so we have to reciprocal, we have to do reciprocal of the second number, right? यहाँ पे अपन second number reciprocal करना पड़ेगा. Now 19 to 19 cancel out, so it 8 ones are 8 upon 5 ones are 5. That is your answer. Like this way you have to solve question C, D, E and Z, H, this 5 question, right? Now come to the question number 3. In question number 3, A 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3 into, divide by 5, divide by 5. So first you have to apply here BODMAS rule, right? You know the BODMAS rule, I have taught you. So apply here BODMAS rule. First open this bracket. So here you have to take LCM of this two. LCM of 2 and 3 will be 6, right? LCM of this 2 will be 6 and 2 3s are 6, 3 1s are 3 plus 3 2s are 6, 2 into 1 is 2, 3 2s are 6, 2 into 1, 3 2s are 6, 2 into 1 will be equal to 2, divide by 5. 3 plus 2 is equal to 5 upon 6 divided by 5. Now we can open bracket, right? Now I told you that write first number as it is, 5 upon 6, and remove this divide sign and apply here multiplication sign and do its reciprocal of the second number, 1 upon 5. Reciprocal of 5 is equal to 1 upon 5. 5 cancel out. Here our answer is 1 upon 6 is our answer, right? Like this way you have to solve question number B and C. In question number D, 3 upon 5 plus 2 upon 5 plus 1 upon 8 into 8. So here if you apply BODMAS rules, then BODMAS rule says that open bracket, then order, then division, multiplication, addition, then subtraction. Means here is addition. So before doing addition you have to do multiplication, right? So here you have to first multiply these two, then it will cancel out. 8 to 8 cancel out, then your answer will be 3 upon 5 plus 2 upon 5 plus here 1 remaining. Now LCM of this 2 is equal to 5. Here nothing in denominator means here it is a 1. 5 ones are 5, 1 into 3 is equal to 3 plus 5 ones are 5, 1 into 2 is equal to 2 plus 1 5s are 5, 5 into 1 is equal to 5, 1 5s are 5, 1 5s are 5, and this 5 into this 1 is equal to 5, right? 3 to 5 or 5, 10 upon 5, so 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, your answer is 2, right? This is your answer. Like this way you have to solve question number B and C. Understand? Okay, next question we will solve in our next video. Your homework is question number 2 part B, C, D, E, G, H, right? And question number 3 B and C, right? Solve this all question and send me photo of your questions and complete your copy, right? Assignment and test will be based on your copy. Whatever video I have given you, this will be based on your video. So complete your copy and do